Hi there, welcome to the practice questions on being able to find the gradient of a straight line from its equation. What I'd like you to do now is to pause the video and have a go at these four questions here. Use the equations to find the gradient of the straight line, and when you're happy with the results then restart the video and go through the model answers with me. So pause the video now, have a go at questions 1, 2, 3 and 4. Hi, welcome back. Let's now go through these four questions together. Okay, well we've got to find the gradient just from looking at the equations. Now you should know that the basic equation of a straight line graph is y equals mx plus c. And we use m to represent the gradient and we use c to represent where the line cuts the y-axis. We call this the y-intercept. So with this one, it's very straightforward. We know the gradient is this number here because that takes the place of the m in the equation. So the gradient of this one is just m equals 4. Look at the second one here. We need to do a little bit of rearranging for this one because we haven't got it in this format. We've got the 2 in front of it. So we need to move the 2 to the other side of the equation. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the 2 over. Because we're dividing on this side, we're going to be dividing by 2 on the other side. So if we simplify this, 8x divided by 2 gives us 4x, and 4 divided by 2 gives us 2. We've now got it in the form of y equals mx plus c, so we can see that the m is represented by the 4, so the gradient for this one is also 4. Question 3 then. Again we need to do some rearranging here. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the 5x over first of all. So we're left with minus 3y equals, the positive 5x becomes a negative when you move it to the other side of the equation. So it means negative 5x plus 8. Now we can take the 3 over to the other side and divide. So y is going to equal minus 5x plus 8 divided by, and this is a negative 3, so we have to divide it by negative 3. So we're going to be left with y equals, well here the negative 5 and the negative 3, they're going to cancel each other out because a negative divided by a negative becomes a positive, so we end up with y equals 5 over 3 x plus or minus, because the positive and the negative now, a positive divided by a negative gives a negative, minus 8 over 3. And the gradient for this one is the 5 over 3. So we can have m, I'm just going to write this up the top here, m is going to equal 5 over 3. That's our gradient. Question 4 then finally. Same thing, we need to rearrange this. So I'm going to start off, we're going to take the 6x to the other side. So I get 4y equals negative 6x plus 2. Now I'm going to take the 4 over, so y is going to equal negative 6x plus 2, all divided by, equals that, all divided by 4. If I then work that out, I'm going to end up with y equals, well, minus 6 divided by 4, that can be simplified to minus 3 over 2x, and 2 over 4 becomes plus a half. So our gradient for this one, m, is going to be negative 3 over 2.